I am Professor Jacob from Christ University, Bangalore. And we are thankful to Delhi Public School for arranging such a great program for their students. Actually, it is the students who benefit out of this. We have more than 50 universities coming here, giving the details about the university to all the students who are here in the 10th, 11th, and 12th standard. So that's something beautiful, something good which is happening in Hyderabad. And thanks everyone for making this happen. Thank you.
So yes, my name is Akshay. I'm representing Illinois Tech. We are located in Chicago, and also we are bringing our campus in Mumbai as well. So we are the university which is very well known for its tech-oriented programs. We are also known for our business, architecture, life sciences related programs as well. So yes, we are ranked number one in the city of Chicago. We are basically known for on our return on investment. For all the programs that we offer, we integrate technology into it. Okay, so yes, I am currently in DPS Nacharam. So yes, I have met a lot of lovely students who are more technically oriented and well researched with our university, more ambitious towards making their careers into computers and related field. So yes, we are also offering a lot of artificial intelligence, data science, computer science related courses as well. So yes, and I wish all the students from DPS Nacharama all the best. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Deepthi from Roots Collegium. So we started this college in 1991. So we have 34 years of academic excellence in our college, and we are there with different group of colleges. Like we have degree college as well as we have design, film and media too. So in degree college we offer BBA Business Analytics, BCom Computer Applications, BA Mass Communication with Psychology and Modern Language, and in design college we offer BA Honors in Interior Designing, BA Honors in Animation and VFX, and BA Honors in Fashion Designing. Along with that, we offer certification courses also. So particularly for the students who wanted to come and join us. So for the students, we are there with so many club activities which really enhance their skills and knowledge particularly. So we are there with entrepreneur clubs, we are there with cultural clubs, we are there with particularly into psychology clubs, and these all really helps the students to enhance their knowledge and skill sets. And we are a part of Toastmasters, wherein that helps the students to nurture their communication skills, public speaking skills, leadership qualities, and to develop interpersonal skills particularly. So along with all these things, we are there with internship programs for the students, wherein students would be working and gaining work experience, real-time work experience. And we are there with 100% placement assistance too. And we do have industry experts, people who would be coming in and giving the insights about like how the real world is all about, so that really helps the students to mold themselves and prepare themselves for the real world. So in such way, here like we would be giving the students 360 degrees of holistic way of learning approach. So that's how this would be helpful to the students. And we are at Jubilee Hills, road number 36, near Peddamagudi metro station. Thank you for DPS, as they have given us such great opportunity to showcase our college here. So this career opportunity would be helpful for the DPS students as well, because they get to explore different colleges and all, so that would be really helpful. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Shrey Ranjini. I'm here representing Lovely Professional University. So talking about Lovely Professional University, we have a ranking of 31 in the NERF rankings, and not only our university stands a rank in the country, it's each and every department of ours stands a rank in the NERF rankings as well. So, and if you take the rankings of WURI, we stand at a ranking of 3rd in the country, including all the Indian and private and government schools, colleges. So talking about Lovely Professional University, LPU stands out from other universities when it comes to providing scholarship and when it comes to the courses. Except for medicine and nursing, we provide all the courses across the country that is available. And it is not only that, when it comes to scholarship, students are getting up to 60% of scholarship. Not only that, if they are very active in sports, they are getting up to 100% of scholarship, not only in academics but also in accommodation and food as well. So coming to scholarships, how can you attain scholarships if you want to come join us to our LPO family? We will be considering your 10th marks or the 12th marks, anyone which is better we will be taking. So you won't get these opportunities anywhere in other universities. So if you score well in 10th or if you score well in 12th, whichever mark is best, we will take that. And not only that, if we will be giving you opportunities in case of LPO Nest exam also. We are providing an entrance exam where you can attempt our exam, and if you are not satisfied with your scholarship from 10th or 12th, we are providing you opportunity by conducting entrance exam where you can attain scholarship up to 60% depending on the course you are selecting and the marks, the tentative cutoff marks that you are gaining. So I guess you won't be getting such a scholarship opportunity from any other universities across India. And not only that, we have with us we have tie-ups with many companies, like 2000 plus companies across the country, across the global, I would say. So top companies like Google, Microsoft, Quantify, Kelvium. And it's not only that, it's not only after your studies. Along with your studies, if you want to go for an international option where many of them can't afford, the whole international expense, you can go for a 2+2 international credit where you will spend 2 years with our LPO family, and the other 2 years you can go to any international university that we have a tie-up with. You will be getting an international certificate for your graduation as well. And then comes our, it's not only 2 years. If you want to spend some weeks in an international university, some months in an international university, we do provide opportunities for that as well. Summer schools, winter schools, and whatnot. So it's not only when it comes to other facilities, infrastructure, LPU stands out of all other universities, I would say. Sports, swimming pool, shooting, gaming area. The campus is just vast. If you take a look at our website and if you take a look at our 360-degree view, if you can see, you can get a complete view of the entire infrastructure of the university as well. So in terms of infrastructure, in terms of providing students the opportunities of scholarship, in terms of providing placements, in terms of providing international opportunities, I would say Lovely Professional University will be the best choice that you can go for. Thank you so much.
Hello, Namaskar. My name is Moromi and I am representing SVSI University from Bangalore. And we are one of the India's #1 university that is situated in Tech Park. And we are offering courses like BTech, BBA, BCA, BCom, psychology, then MBA, MSc, data science, BOT. So our courses are all specialized course, and it is very much industry oriented courses. So and I also thank DPS Public School, Nacharam, and Univarieties for giving us this opportunity to venture our university and bringing this university in front of schools, students, where several students from several schools have participated. So this has been a great platform for us to to interact with the students, and I hope students must have got a lot of knowledge and information about our university. And yes, once again I thanks DPS Public School, Nacharam, and Univarieties for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello, hi. My name is Prakash. I am from Mumbai. We are a school of film, communication, creative arts. We are based in Mumbai Film City itself. The founder himself is the legendary film director, Mr. Subhash Ghaiji. We have courses into filmmaking, animation, game design, fashion design, visual communication design. There's acting, music, media courses that we offer at our institute. Today we are here at Delhi Public School in Hyderabad, which is a really good event going on. We met a lot of good students. We interacted with a lot of students, and there are faculty, students are really good, and it was a nice experience from my side. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Akhil. I am the India representative for Niagara University in India. So we are a liberal arts university in the state of New York in US, and we offer programs in arts, science, business, nursing, education, psychology, and those kind of programs. So being a liberal arts university, the whole idea is to have different subjects combined in your degree. I mean, like it's like you can have a major and you can have a minor. You can even have a double major. So that's the beauty of liberal arts. You decide what you want to learn and you create a degree out of it. So that's the whole idea. And being a liberal arts university, we are highly focused on experiential learning. So you will be having the kind of hands-on experience right from the first semester onwards at our university. So that's also a wonderful thing. You can have it over there. And coming to a university, it's not just about the degree. So everyone will get a degree at the university, but it's more than that. So what we believe in, it's more about the journey. So the person that you are becoming, the different perspectives you'll be having, the different cultures, different people that you will be meeting in US. So that's all about the university life and everything out there. So we definitely focus on life and your development outside the campus as well, outside your classroom as well. So that's the whole idea. Apart from that, it's very economical to join our university. We offer a generous, wonderful scholarship plan to all the students who are having a particular score in 12th standard. And if you're scoring above 70% or 65 to 70%, you will be getting a very good scholarship. Like we will be covering around 72% of your total tuition fee. And that's also one of the most key highlight that you can focus on. The affordability is actually an attractive thing. And apart from that, it's all about the different programs that we are having, the different opportunities that you are having. The affordability is definitely a key factor. And also the different opportunities outside the academics. We are having a lot of programs. We are having a lot of opportunities in, let's say, student organizations, student activities, clubs, and a lot of different immersion activities. So again, it's all about enjoying. It's all about becoming a new person, understanding different things, understanding different perspectives, and finally earning that degree, which will definitely make you go long ahead. Thank you.
Hello, this is Vasundhara from BITS Pilani, Dubai campus. BITS has a legacy, everybody knows we have 4 campuses and this is the second campus. First, everybody knows as Pilani is the first campus. The second campus is BITS Pilani, Dubai. The third campus is Goa campus and the last campus is Hyderabad. So now I'm here to represent BITS Pilani, Dubai campus, and it is like 4 years. We offer BTech, BBA, also PhD, MBA, all 4 programs. So most of the students are interested in BBA from this college.
Hello, this is Shivani from the University of Leeds, a world top 100 university. We do offer a lot of undergraduation and post-graduation courses. In terms of our offering, we do have law, engineering, medical, and all of these. We do have options for scholarship as well. We do offer both undergraduation and post-graduation scholarships that you can discover with us. And in terms of DPS Nacharam program that they had for Career Fair 2025-2026 in the school on 10th of October 2025. It was pleasant meeting all the students of class 9th, 10th and 11th and 12th, and guiding them throughout the journey is a pleasant option for us. Come discover us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniela and I'm from SP Jain London School of Management. We are located in Canary Wharf, which is the business, finance and consulting tech in the UK. Now, we offer the Bachelor's in Business Administration, which is a BBA honours degree for 4 years. And what sets us apart is that we deal with experiential learning. So apart from classroom training, our students, involve themselves in a lot of live projects, case studies, action projects, regional emotions, as well as industry visits. We also focus on their soft skill development. So they would, so we focus on their critical thinking skills, their leadership skills, their presentation skills, so that they have a very holistic growth. Now, another thing that sets us apart is that we are the only university in the world where you can pursue a BBA honours degree and explore 4 different continents. So you can start out in London and also explore Singapore, Dubai, as well as Sydney during your studies.